Good day, everyone. So my topic is institutional isomers. So I am Brittany H. Lastimosa. Definition of constitutional isomers. Constitutional isomers, are also called structural isomers, are compounds that have the same molecular formula but different structural formulas because their atoms are connected differently. Just like, for example, butane C4H10. Second example, 2-methylpropane C4H10. Both have the same molecular formula but different structure. Molecular formula versus structural formula. So what are the difference? Molecular formula shows only the number of types of atom. For example, kanang CH4 and H10. Then ang structural formulas mag-show na siya kung giunsa nimo pag connected ang which shows how the atoms are connected, just like sa picture nga naa dira. Then the molecular formula is the same but the structures formulas are different. So sa molecular dira pa nimo makuhaan ka ng mga example lang CH4 o CH10, then ang sa structure formula dira na nimo i-draw ang pagka-connect. For example, butane. Molecular formula, CH4H10. So, ang milikuan sa butane is isomer 1 butane. Nya ang iyahang structural formula kay CH3, CH2, CH2, and CH3. Isomers 2-methyl iprofane. These compounds are constitutionally isomers because they have the different connectivity. Another example, pentane. Molecular formula. Pentane has 3 constitutional isomers. First, pentane. Second, 2-methylbutane. The third is 2,2-dimethylprofane. More carbons atoms allow more branching. 5 isomers of hexane. So, ang molecular formula niya which is C6H14. Hexane has 5 constitutional isomers. So, as you can see there are sa examples, this shows that the number of isomers increase carbon chain because longer. The more nga mas madaghan ang the more nga mag-increase ang iyang carbon chain because kay taas man siya kay longest chain man siya. So longest carbon chain. The parent chain is the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms. Just like for example na dira sa pictures, as you can see, dira. The longest chain has 5 carbons. Kuan siya kabuok 5 carbons. Then so the parent name is pentane because 5 is pentane. The longest chain is the basis of the IUPAC name. Ang pinaka-longest chain, mano siya ang dirata magkuha og IUPAC name, which is dirapon mag-base kung asa ang pinaka carbon atoms nga pinakadaghan. So dira ka magkuha og IUPAC naming. IUPAC naming. The International Union of Pure and Applied Economics, IUPAC, develop a standard naming system for organic compounds. So the rules of the IUPAC naming, first is to find the longest chain carbon chain. Second, number the chain. Third, identify substituent or alkyl groups. Then fifth, give the substituent the longest possible numbers. And sixth, write the complete more alphabetically. So the physical and chemical properties. Although constitutional isomers have the same molecular formula, they may have different properties. So the physical properties is boiling point, melting point, density, and sa chemical properties kay reactivity, combustion, and stability. So these difference are caused by their different structures. So, importance in agriculture and organic chemistry. Constitutional isomers are important because they help scientists identify organic compounds, develop pest codes and herbicides, produce fuels and fertilizers, improve pharmaceuticals, study plant and animal biochemistry. So, nganong importante man siya? it helps sa mga good sa mga farmers, especially sa mga scientists, to know what are the chemicals of that certain plants or animals or other agricultural kana industries or agriculture and organic chemistry. So understanding isomers helps improves agricultural products and chemical research. So dako kay siya tabang especially sa ato mga agricultural scientists nga mapadali or mas manon pa ang mga uban nga mga wala pa nahibalo. Why methane to propane have no isomers? Methane, CH4, has one carbon atom. Only one structures lang siya. So, ang ethane has two carbon atoms. Only one way to connect them. Ang propane, kay their carbon atoms only one continuous chain. Therefore, methane, ethane, and propane have no constitutional isomers because ang methane kay has one carbon atoms. Ang ethane kay two carbon atoms. That's why wala siya constitutional isomer. So why methane, ethane, and propane have no constitutional isomers? Because their carbon atoms have only few carbons because dili kay siya ma-connect. Decane has 75 constitutional isomers. Why nga no daghang there are 75 constitutional isomers? As the number of carbon atoms increases, the number of possible straight chain and branch chain structures also increases. So, mas the more nga ang carbon atoms increases, ang number pod nga possible straight chains and branch chain structures are also increased. The more nga daghan, the more nga mas madaghan pa. This demonstrate the complexity of organic compound. So, the summary of the constitutional isomers have the same molecular formula but different structural formulas. So, they differ because of different connectivity. Butane is the first alkane with constitutional isomers. Then, pentane has 3 isomers. Hexane has 5 isomers. Decane has longest and pinakadaghan 75 constitutional isomers. IUPAC naming provides a standard way to name organic compounds. So these are the reference. Daghan kayong salamat. Thank you. That's all of my presentation. I hope na mo'y mahibalan just a little, at least a little bit, or mas daghan, mas the more nga man mo masabtan. So, atong balik ko no, ang decane ang pinakadaghan nga institutional isomers. Because the more nga mas daghan ang imuhang chain, the more nga mas madaghan ang institutional isomer. Yun lamang po. Salamat.